Okay, I have this pressure washer, the Simpson 320. It's a pretty good machine. I want to upgrade it, installing a hose reel. So I have everything that I need here for the installation. So it can vary depending on the machine you have, but this one, it's M22 connection. So I gonna need a small hose here going from M22 to a 3/8, and here to connect the 3/8, at least in this reel that I bought, I'm gonna need a one adapter here from a female 3/8 to 3/8, and here in this connection for the main hose, I'm gonna need an adapter as well. That will be 3/8 to M22. So let's get started. Oh, I'm gonna need a PVC tape as well. Let's start with the connector here. Put some PVC tape, make sure have a good connection, sealed connection. Same thing here. Sure you can see what I'm doing here. The real hardware, it comes the handle with the bolts and washers you need, and you have here this clamp to fix the hose. I'm gonna show you later how to do that. So let's start installing this handle. Let's start here, you can see what I'm doing. forget the washer. Yeah, it's working. Now I'm gonna choose the spot where I've installed. There's a good metal base here that I can use. I'm gonna just mark the right spot and drill. Let's drill. And now let's fix the reel here. Yep, it looks nice. Just connect the hose now. Then you get your small hose, the connection hose. You connect here the 3/8, and then here the M22. And the last step now is connect your big hose. You're gonna connect here in the M22, and you're gonna install the clamp to fix the hose. Here's the final setup. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put the details of all the parts that I use here for disassemble. Thank you.